Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your recording with Simplifile step by step clearly. To authorize your recording with Simplifile, begin by visiting the Simplifile website. Log into your Simplifile account using your credentials. In the main dashboard, locate the settings icon, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on Settings to access your account preferences. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the Your Recording section. Select Authorize your recording to initiate the process. You will be prompted to enter your business information. Fill in the required fields with accurate details about your company. Review your information for any errors before proceeding. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to send your authorization request. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your request has been successfully submitted. Check your email for a confirmation from Simplifile regarding your authorization status. If approved, you will receive instructions for completing the e-recording setup. Follow the provided instructions carefully to finalize your e-recording authorization. Once setup is complete, you can start submitting documents for e-recording. Keep documentation and details handy for any future reference or troubleshooting. After a successful setup, monitor your transactions within your Simplifile dashboard. Regularly check for updates or notifications regarding your e-recording activities. Engage with Simplifile's support team if you encounter any issues during the process. With these steps complete, you are now authorized to e-record using Simplifile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.